Hello everyone and welcome back to today's daily prop market analysis videos with me, Richard, Pro Market Analyst at Hantec. On Wednesday, 6th of November, looking at sterling dollar. Little bit of consolidation really, I think, really going on in cable at the moment. You saw euro dollar decisively lower yesterday. Cable pretty much, well, was actually dead flat on the day with the doji candle. A little bit higher, a little bit lower on the session. But the interesting thing is I think that sterling continues to settle down, really. The daily range for yesterday was around about 60 pips or so. And the average true range continues to plummet. It was up in the sort of 170s at one stage. It's now at the level of 90 pips in a day, so it continues to settle down, stabilise, as the market is now what I see is building into a bit of a range play between 27.85, that key reaction low, which was also a breakout point, and the high at around 30 big figure. The failure at 129.75 sort of adds to that air, but you look at the momentum indicators, just drifting really, a little bit of an unwinding drift. And that's what you do tend to see when you have such a strong move and then the market just sort of peters out and starts going sideways. You do tend to see those momentum indicators just drifting off rather than falling sharply lower, which would suggest more of a corrective momentum, and you're not really getting that. So I think the market is holding up above the 27.85 area. You've got the 23.6% fib level around 28.20. But generally speaking, we're just looking for a bit of direction on cable. And I mean, if you sort of take the hourly chart that sort of I've added in here, 29.05 is a bit of a, you could argue, a pivot line, but 29.05 up towards 29.25, there or thereabouts. It seems to be sort of turning points around that sort of area in the last couple of weeks, really. So you've got that sort of pivot band, I suppose you could argue. In that sort of area, 28.55 yesterday's low, initially supportive, but again, look at the momentum on the hourly, ranging at the oscillation between 30 and 70 on the hourly RSI, and MACD line's pretty muted. So we are looking for direction, I think, on sterling at the moment. Seems as though the market is fairly settled, and yeah, you're not really getting too much decisive direction at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars.